至少2到3张，不止1张。然后到这里
DoorDash was extra busy today and last night. I even picked up a few catering orders. New Year's had a lot of people ordering in, and I want to break down what I'm seeing right now with DoorDash and catering apps. So if you're new here, I'm Sharon from LifeBySharonB. I share real experiences with gig work, jobs, and income strategies. No hype, just what what actually happening. So on New Year's, a lot of people stay home. They don't want, they don't want to cook. They don't want to go out, and they're, hosting or ordering for groups. So families at home, small gatherings, businesses ordering food, people avoiding crowds. This is when food delivery and catering orders really pick up. Here's what I noticed on DoorDash. Today DoorDash was steady, not just small orders, but back-to-back requests. I ain't seen that in a long time. And
all right, thank you.
Shorter wait times. Like I wasn't waiting, I was getting them back to back. I had higher value orders, and I didn't see that many drivers out there. Orders was coming in consistently. This is the kind of day I miss on DoorDash, and this account of day makes sense, to do DoorDash. So that's why I got out there today, because I'm like, it's busy, they back to back, and I stay down the street from a bunch of restaurants. So last night I also saw like the catering orders that were coming through, and the catering apps were busy today and yesterday. So catering pays higher per order, and you have fewer stops. So it's worth watching during holidays. Great add-ons to like your regular gig apps. I would definitely do the catering apps right now. This is why I also tell people not to rely on just one app. That's why I do several apps, and I still do all my apps. These are the times I lean more into gig work, holidays, weekend events, and and stuff like that, because I still got my in-store job for my stability gig apps for surges and catering for higher payout. I like patterns instead of just guessing. So like if you're doing DoorDash or catering apps, let me know how your New Year's looked. Were you busy too, or was it slow in your area? Make sure you subscribe. I'll keep sharing what I am seeing in real time, y'all.
Thank you. Okay. I'm picking up for 72B. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. You too.